All right, guys, so Matt's got this 12 valve Cummins. That is a 95 Ford 3/4 ton frame, and he's gonna put that in that frame with 5-speed transmission,
G4500,
whatever that means. It started up by the end of this video.
1,000 pound lift capacity, 1,000 plus.
At least. Rear on back.
On back.
On hoses.
On a leak.
No, it's the penetrator.
That's what they call me in prison. Now we can remove our guide tool.
Wow, that nice pop. All right, guys, we got the clutch in. The transmission is now sitting in there. Got the fuel lines ready. They're coming all the way up here. We got a bunch of fittings set up. We just got to make those. Then coming back here, fuel cell, and it's all mounted in there. Got the battery mounted. The cables are already coming back. That thing is ready to rock. We got to put fuel in it, and then we're going to roll this thing outside and we're going to start it up. So here we go. One of the changes, this thing throws a rod out the block.
0. I built it.
So 100%. It's out here. Are you ready to start this thing up?
We need a clipboard first.
Clipboard? What do you need that for?
Shut her off.
In case she runs away?
Just in case, you never know.
Well, I would say this is a little horsepower in a can, but this is diesel fuel, so what do you call that? A little torque in a can?
You got her, bud.
I'm spilling it everywhere.
Reminds me of my ex-wife.
Oh, we got fuel. Look at that. So we are primed. We got to put some power steering fluid in it, and this thing's ready to start. All right, here we go. Come on, baby.
Give her some throttle.
All right. So floor it when it actually fires
You
then?
may have to give her a little juice.
About like 8 grand.
It won't go that high.
So 5 grand.
4,000 governor's points.
Gee. Oh. Our little bump. Come on, baby. Oh, it's trying.
It'll go.
It's definitely trying.
There's air in the
It's already smoking like a freight train. That's the wrong color smoke, though, guy. I love that. Oh, maybe not yet. Oh, working. Woo. Heck yeah. Hey, what's that knock in there? There's 6 of them.
We got a leaker.
Oh my gosh. Dude, your time of the month or what?
You got a leaker, bud. Cannot use barb fittings on a power steering hose.
Apparently that is a little bit higher pressure than we thought.
Thanks, Bob.
Yeah, thanks for making a huge mess with the power steering line busting all over his pants. We're gonna drain the fluid out of it, and if it screws up the pump, it screws up the pump. We want to get the air bled out of the fuel system so the smoke will clear up and it'll actually run smooth for you guys. So round 2.
Shut up, stupid.
All right. Just a little bit of fluid all over the side by side and
Yeah,
everything.
right.
Round 2. Yeah, so what he said, it's blowing white smoke right now because it's not atomizing all the fuel. So as soon as it atomizes all the fuel, then the smoke will turn black like a regular, like you're used to seeing a diesel do. Oh yeah, smoking out the shop, dude. Starting to clean up. Dang it, now I want to buy a diesel. How do you feel? Like a new man?
I'm wet.
That is a huge milestone for this build, so it's running now. It is ready for us to set the cab on it, run some wiring, mount the radiator, mount the intercooler, run some intercooler piping. So we're going to be making videos of all that stuff. So come back, and in the next couple of weeks, we're going to be posting a couple more videos. But for now, that is the end of this week's video. Come back next week to see what we tear up. We'll see you later, guys.